Lighting is one of the most powerful tools in interior design, especially in a minimalist kitchen, where every element is defined by purpose and precision. In spaces designed with simplicity, neutral tones, and clean lines, lighting does far more than illuminate the room. It shapes the atmosphere, highlights textures, and reinforces functionality. The right lighting can transform a minimalist kitchen from ordinary to elegant, from merely practical to truly inspiring. This video explores how to choose and layer lighting that complements the minimalist philosophy while enhancing both form and function. 1. Understanding the role of lighting in a minimalist kitchen. Minimalist kitchens emphasize simplicity, balance, and open space. Because these interiors often rely on neutral color palettes and streamlined surfaces, lighting becomes a key design component that defines mood and depth. In a minimalist kitchen, light serves three main roles. Functional clarity, providing sufficient illumination for cooking, cleaning, and preparation. Aesthetic balance, emphasizing architectural lines and the beauty of materials. Atmospheric warmth, creating a welcoming environment despite the simplicity of the design. The goal is to integrate lighting seamlessly into the space so that it feels natural rather than decorative. Each light source should have a purpose, complementing the kitchen's layout and flow. 2. The 3 layers of minimalist kitchen lighting. Designing lighting for a minimalist kitchen involves layering different types of illumination. Each layer serves a distinct function, yet together they create visual harmony and balance. A. Ambient lighting. This is the foundation of your kitchen's illumination, the general light that fills the room. In minimalist kitchens, ambient lighting should feel soft, even, and shadow-free. Recessed ceiling lights or flush-mounted fixtures are ideal choices since they maintain clean lines without cluttering the ceiling. A warm white color temperature, around 3000 K, helps maintain a cozy atmosphere while preserving the modern aesthetic. Large windows or skylights also play a key role in natural ambient lighting, keeping the kitchen bright and open during the day. B. Task lighting. Task lighting provides focused illumination for work zones such as countertops, sinks, and stoves. In a minimalist kitchen, this lighting must be both practical and subtle. Under-cabinet LED strips are perfect for this purpose. They provide direct light exactly where you need it while remaining visually discreet. Pendant lights over an island or breakfast bar can also function as task lighting, provided they are chosen with minimalist restraint. Think simple shapes, matte finishes, and clean silhouettes. See accent lighting. Accent lighting adds visual interest and depth, highlighting specific architectural or design elements such as textured walls, open shelving, or art pieces. Though minimalism avoids excess, accent lighting can still be used strategically to emphasize the elegance of simplicity. For instance, linear LED strips under floating cabinets can create a subtle glow that enhances spatial perception without overwhelming the aesthetic. 3. Choosing fixtures that reflect minimalist design. When selecting fixtures for a minimalist kitchen, form and function should be perfectly aligned. Minimalist lighting design favors clean geometry, neutral colors, and uncomplicated details. Popular minimalist fixture styles include slim pendant lights, ideal above kitchen islands, offering both function and a sculptural element. Recessed downlights blend seamlessly with the ceiling, maintaining visual calm. Linear lighting bars provide even illumination over countertops or dining nooks. Wall sconces with simple shapes add subtle charm without distracting from the kitchen's clean design. Materials like matte metal, frosted glass, and natural wood finishes integrate beautifully into minimalist kitchens, creating cohesion between lighting and other elements such as cabinetry and hardware. 4. The importance of color temperature and light quality. Light quality directly affects the kitchen's mood and usability. In a minimalist setting, where simplicity dominates, color temperature and brightness must be carefully balanced. Warm white light, 2700 K, 3000 K ideal for a cozy, inviting feel. Works well in social or dining areas within the kitchen. Neutral white light, 3500 K, 4000 K suitable for task areas where clarity is essential, such as countertops and cooking zones. LED lights are particularly suitable for minimalist kitchens. They are energy efficient, long-lasting, and available in multiple tones and intensities. Choose high-quality LEDs with a good CRI, Color Rendering Index, to ensure that natural wood, stone, and metal textures appear vivid and true to color. 5. Highlighting materials and textures through light. In minimalist kitchens, where ornamentation is minimal, materials take center stage. Lighting can enhance the visual impact of surfaces such as wood, marble, concrete, or matte metal. For instance, directional spotlights can highlight the grain of natural wood cabinetry. Soft LED backlighting can emphasize the smoothness of a marble backsplash. Warm pendant lighting can enhance the texture of matte stone countertops. These subtle techniques allow the inherent beauty of materials to shine, reinforcing the minimalist principle that less can indeed be more. 6. Integrating natural light for balance and warmth. Natural light is an essential component of minimalist design. Large windows, skylights, and glass doors not only brighten the kitchen, but also strengthen its connection with the outdoors, a common feature in minimalist and Scandinavian-inspired interiors. Use light, sheer curtains, or none at all to maximize daylight penetration. Reflective surfaces like light-toned cabinetry or glossy backsplashes can further enhance the effect of natural illumination, making the kitchen appear larger and more serene. When combined with carefully placed artificial lights, natural light creates a perfectly balanced environment that transitions smoothly from day to night. 7. Smart lighting control for modern minimalism. Modern minimalist kitchens often integrate smart lighting systems to improve efficiency and convenience. Dimmable switches, motion sensors, and app-controlled lighting allow users to adjust brightness and color tone based on activity or time of day. Imagine bright, cool light during morning meal prep and a softer, warmer glow during evening dinners. This adaptability enhances both comfort and functionality, keeping with the minimalist value of purposeful living. 8. The emotional dimension of minimalist lighting. Beyond functionality, lighting in a minimalist kitchen shapes emotional experience. Soft, balanced illumination promotes calm and clarity, echoing the minimalist philosophy of mindful living. A well-lit kitchen encourages focus and serenity, making cooking and dining moments more enjoyable. By using light intentionally, not excessively, you can craft an environment that feels alive, spacious, and tranquil all at once.